Today we're going to be installing vinyl window blinds. Keep watching the video, I'll show you just how I do that. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com. Today we're going to be installing vinyl window blinds. So we have a window that has nothing on it, it's bare. So we're just going to be installing an outside window blind. Sometimes you can buy blinds for an inside mount, but these ones we're going to be installing on the outside. It's 30 inches and this window's a little bit smaller than 30 inches, so I'm going to do an outside mount. Okay, so we're ready to start installing the hardware, which is the mounting brackets for the blinds. Now also note that these blinds, you can actually customize them. You can trim off some of the edges if you want to do an inside mount. But I'm not going to do that. I want to have these an outside mount. It's also a lot easier. But the first thing you need to do is just measure where you're going to install these brackets, which are going to grab onto your blinds. So you can be pretty precise if you want, depending on what you're doing. You could measure. I know I have 30 inches, which is right here, and the mounting clips can go almost anywhere. Just double check to make sure that the clips aren't going to run into like any part of the frame. So to be precise where they're going is not that important. So how I'm going to do it is I'm actually just going to use my finger. So you just you look on the actual kit here and it says top. So that's the most important thing, just to make sure that you're actually putting the clip the right way. So I'm going to go right about here and I'm just going to make sure that my finger is flushed with the top of the window frame, the edge of the trim here. So I can install that if this is flush, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other end, and then the blinds should just clip in. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the first bracket in. Just going to use the screws provided in the kit, and they're Phillips, and I'm just going to use my impact gun just to drill it through the frame. One screw. Okay, so now that our brackets are installed, we're ready to install the blinds. Also take note that this little stick came in the package. This is so that you can adjust the angle of your blinds. I had already clicked it in place, so what you do is you just push it in and it'll click, and then that's it. It won't come out. So next step is just to push the bracket of the blinds in place. So you just want to get it in on a little bit of an angle, and then you're just going to go ahead and once it's in place, you're just going to push, and you should hear it click. Okay, so that's in, and then this side, like that. Simple. Okay, so these blinds, unlike other blinds where you've seen in the past with blinds, they have strings and you pull them one way and it'll drop, you let go of the string and snag it. These don't have that. They actually have a retractable system, so you just grab onto these tabs here and you just push it down, and when you stop, it stops. When you want to go up, just push them up and then retract. Okay, so the blinds are in. The next step is just to put the finishing trim pieces in. This guy, like this. Just gonna clip it right into place. Okay, so now the final piece, if you choose to install, is just the piece you put at the bottom. So when you put the blinds all the way down, it'll actually hook in, so it keeps it from going anywhere. So I'm going to install that now. Okay, so we've got our position, and this is where, just double check to make sure that you're not on an angle. Just find a position where you're going to be satisfied with where the blinds are going to be hooked. And I'll just move this temporarily out of the way for a second. And I'm going to stick the screw through. Put 2 screws through. Okay, and that's it. What we did on the one side, you just have to do on the other side. That's it. Simple as that. That's how you install these blinds. And you can close them or open them as you desire. And that's it. Piece of cake. So just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Turn notifications on. Tap that bell. Share our video. Like our video. And hey, leave a comment. If there's anything else you want to see me do or install or have any questions, drop it below in the comment section. And we'll see you next time from JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.